You know this feeling. You understand English clearly, and you recognize words instantly when you read or listen. But the moment you try to speak, everything disappears. Simple words suddenly feel difficult. Your sentences break in the middle, and your mind goes blank. It feels frustrating, confusing, and sometimes even embarrassing, and you start thinking that maybe you are not good at English. But here is the truth. You are not forgetting words. Your brain is blocking them, and once you fix this one mistake, your speaking can change completely. Most people believe they forget words because their vocabulary is weak, so they try to memorize more words, more phrases, and more rules. But even after learning more, the same problem continues. They still freeze while speaking and struggle to express simple ideas. The real issue is not what you know, but how your brain is trying to use English in real time. Right now, your brain is following the wrong process. It depends on your native language before speaking English, and that creates delay, confusion, and pressure. In this video, you will understand why this happens and how to fix it step by step. Once you understand this, speaking will start to feel natural instead of stressful. The hidden translation trap that blocks your words. When you try to speak English, your brain is not actually thinking in English. It first creates the idea in your native language, and then it tries to convert it into English. This extra step may feel normal, but it creates a serious problem because it slows down your thinking and breaks your natural speaking flow. In a real conversation, when someone asks you a simple question, you want to reply instantly. But your brain does not respond quickly. Instead, it starts translating, searching for the right words, checking sentence structure, and trying to make everything correct before you speak. Because of this, your response gets delayed. And while your brain is busy translating, your confidence starts dropping. The more time you take, the more pressure you feel, and that pressure makes everything harder. You begin to overthink every word and worry about making mistakes. This adds even more mental load, and your brain struggles to keep up. That is the exact moment where words disappear, even the ones you already know very well. It is important to understand that this is not a knowledge problem. You are not forgetting words because you lack vocabulary. You are forgetting them because your brain is overloaded with too many tasks at the same time. Now compare this with how you speak in your native language. You do not translate. You do not think about grammar, and you do not search for words. You simply speak, and your thoughts flow naturally without any delay. Fluent English speakers follow the same pattern. They do not translate from their native language. They think directly in English and speak at the same time, which makes their speech smooth and effortless. But when you depend on translation, you create a gap between thinking and speaking. And that gap is exactly where your words get lost. It breaks your flow and makes speaking feel difficult. So, if you truly want to stop forgetting words, the first step is to break this translation habit. You need to train your brain to think directly in English instead of converting every sentence. Once you start doing this, your speaking will become faster, clearer, and more natural. And most importantly, you will stop feeling stuck in the middle of conversations. Why pressure makes you forget even simple words? Now that you understand the translation problem, there is another powerful reason why your words disappear, and that is pressure. The moment you start speaking English, your brain feels that something important is happening. It starts thinking that you must speak correctly, use proper grammar, and avoid mistakes, and because of that, your focus shifts from communication to performance. Instead of expressing your thoughts naturally, you begin trying to sound perfect. Your brain starts watching every word, checking every sentence, and judging everything you say. This creates tension, and that tension slows down your thinking. Even simple sentences begin to feel difficult because your brain is no longer relaxed. When your brain is under pressure, it tries to handle multiple tasks at the same time. It is thinking about what to say, checking if it is correct, and also worrying about how you sound. This overload makes your mind slow, and that is the exact moment where words start to disappear, even the ones you already know. You may have noticed that when you are relaxed, you can speak much better. But when you feel nervous, your speaking suddenly becomes weak. This is not because your English changed, but because your mental state changed. Pressure blocks your ability to use what you already know. Now think about how you speak in your native language. You do not try to be perfect, and you do not worry about small mistakes. You simply focus on your message, and your words come out naturally. There is no pressure, and that is why your speech flows easily. The same rule applies to English. Fluency does not come from perfection, it comes from flow. The more you try to speak perfectly, the more you interrupt your natural thinking process, and the more your brain starts to freeze in the middle of speaking. So, if you truly want to stop forgetting words, you need to remove this pressure. You need to allow yourself to speak imperfectly and focus only on communication. Because when your brain feels relaxed, it works faster, and your words come out more easily. How to train your brain to think directly in English. Now that you understand the real problems, the next step is fixing them, and that starts with changing how your brain thinks. If you want to speak smoothly, you must stop depending on your native language and begin thinking directly in English. At first, this may feel uncomfortable because your brain is not used to it. You might feel slow, and your sentences may seem very simple, but that is completely normal. The goal is not to sound advanced. The goal is to build direct thinking. Start with small things in your daily life. When you see an object, do not name it in your native language first. Say it directly in English inside your mind. When you are doing something, describe your actions in English using simple sentences. For example, if you are walking, just think, I am walking to the door. If you are eating, think, I am eating food. These may sound basic, but this practice trains your brain to connect thoughts directly with English. The more you do this, the less your brain will rely on translation. Slowly, your thinking speed will increase, and forming sentences will start to feel natural instead of forced. Another important step is to accept simple English. Do not wait to form perfect or complex sentences. Speak what you can, with the words you already know. Simple and clear is always better than slow and perfect. As you continue this habit daily, you will notice a big change. Your mind will respond faster, your hesitation will reduce, and words will come more easily during conversations. This is how you rebuild your speaking system from the inside. Not by memorizing more, but by changing how you think. The daily speaking habit that builds fluency fast. Now that you have started training your brain to think directly in English, the next step is to turn this into a daily speaking habit. Because thinking alone is not enough. You need to speak regularly to make this skill strong and natural. Many people wait for the perfect environment to practice speaking. They think they need a partner, a classroom, or a special situation. But the truth is, Fluency is built in your daily routine, not in rare moments. Start by speaking to yourself for a few minutes every day. It may feel strange at first, but it is one of the most powerful ways to improve. You can talk about your day, your plans, or even what you are doing at that moment. The goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to keep speaking without stopping. Even if your sentences are simple or repetitive, that is completely fine. What matters is continuity, not perfection. When you speak daily, your brain starts getting used to forming sentences quickly. It reduces hesitation and builds confidence because you are practicing without pressure or fear of judgment. Another powerful method is to describe your surroundings. Look around and talk about what you see. This helps you connect real-life situations with English, making your thinking faster and more automatic. As this habit becomes consistent, you will notice that speaking starts to feel easier. You will not have to search for words as much, and your mind will respond more naturally during conversations. This is how fluency is built step by step. Not through memorizing rules, but through regular speaking practice that trains your brain to respond instantly. Now you understand the real reason why you forget words while speaking English. It is not because you lack vocabulary, and it is not because you are bad at English. It happens because of translation, pressure, and the way your brain has been trained until now. The good news is that you can change this. When you stop translating, reduce pressure, and start thinking directly in English, your speaking begins to feel natural. You stop freezing, you stop overthinking, and your words start coming out more easily. But this will not happen just by watching this video. You need to apply what you learned today in your daily life. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. That is how real improvement happens. Your fluency is not far away. You just need the right method and consistent action. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.